What? I don't know what you think you see. Go get it. Go get it. Come on. Come on. It's pretty. We just got a dusting here. I don't know what you see. What the hell are you barking at? What are you barking at? What? Buddy? Buddy? I don't know. I think he's barking at where I put the stuff up. Buddy, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. They dug this hole. So I put some stones in it. Come here, buddy. Buddy, what's wrong? Alright, come here. Come here. Buddy, come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. That's all I can figure out that he's barking at. What an idiot. He's such a pretty boy. But not real brave. Look! Copper's not scared of it. Okay, well we saw it didn't get Copper, but we did quickly run over. See there? Idiot.